not really ever be a parent, any newborn, again.
A judge has stern words for a man who punched his 3-month-old baby in the face, killing her.
That father was in court today for sentencing. Only 9 on your side's Roseanne Aragon, in fact, was there in court. She joins us with his punishment and his family's reaction as well. Roseanne?
That's right, Craig. The prosecution called what he did a one-punch death blow. Now, mind you, this case has been going on for years because he wasn't mentally stable enough to participate in court until today.
This is so painful, but I know that he did not mean to harm his child.
Those were the words coming from the mother of a man who killed his own child.
He was ill-equipped to be a father, Your Honor.
Back in 2014, reports showed that then 24-year-old Chevelle Johnson punched his 3-month-old baby, Asia Kathy, in the face. The baby was crying and Johnson lost his temper and didn't know what to do.
It was a one-punch death blow.
For years, Johnson was deemed mentally incompetent to be in court until today.
He wasn't summoned this entire time, Your Honor. There was upwards of 5 or 6 competency reports generated during his stay there. Several have been found incompetent.
The charges were originally aggravated murder and child endangering. They've since been dropped to involuntary manslaughter.
He's a loving person.
The prosecution and the mother of that child were less convinced.
When you're striking a child, you have to assume that there's going to be some serious physical harm.
But the most heated comment came from the judge.
I've had too many cases since I've been on this court of persons who should not have been not given birth to a child or been a parent, because those children are now dead. This falls into that category. Because he can continue to have children, but he won't be able to have them for a while.
The judge sentenced him to 8 years behind bars.
You should not really ever be a parent, any newborn, again. And I hope the other children don't ever spend much time with you.
Again, very stern words. Now, that's really closer to 6 years since Johnson's lawyer says he will get credit for the 822 days that he's already spent in custody. Now, once he gets out, he'll have to do a mandatory 5-year supervision. Craig?